Hey guys, good morning, happy Monday. I hope you enjoyed your weekend. Before we get started, I have a couple of announcements. First off, I will be sharing a link where it tells you when and where you can go return your Chromebook for the school year, or any books that you may have, or library books. I'll have that posted on your Google Classroom. And this will also be your last assignment for the school year. With that being said, please make sure that you check your PowerSchool. I have been posting comments on PowerSchool with the assignments that you can redo if you so wish. So please make sure you take advantage of that. You do have to email me first, so I can go in and delete your first form or whatever it is that you're submitting. Okay, so with that being said, you'll click on classwork. You will scroll down to figurative language, and you will click on figurative language in songs. And this assignment is super easy, and it's really super fun. So over the last few weeks, we have been looking at figurative language. One area that is known for figurative language is songs. So your mission today, or for the next couple days, is to find 5 different, repeat with me, 5 different songs that contain figurative language. The reason being is that some songs have more than one example, so I want you to look at different songs so you can see it. So you are going to write the song title. The lyrics must be school appropriate, and yes, I do listen to rap and whatever other songs you listen to, so I will know if a song is not school appropriate or not. Okay? So once again, you're going to write the lyrics that contain the figurative language, and then identify what type of figurative language it is. So for example, the song Best Day of My Life has the lyric, I had a dream so big and loud, I jumped so high, I touched the clouds. Well, the figurative language that is in this song is, of course, of hyperbole. They're exaggerating the fact that they can jump and touch the clouds. There is no way possible that you can jump high and literally touch the clouds. Therefore, it's a hyperbole. So once again, you'll type in, you have to do 5 songs. And you will have a couple days to do it. It is a fun assignment. I do enjoy this one. With that being said, you guys have been doing really well turning in assignments, and I'm really sad our school year had to end this way. I miss you all terribly. If you have any questions, please email me. Get late assignments turned into me, please. The last day to take any late work will be May 21st. And I hope to see you all safe and healthy next year walking down the halls at Eisenhower. Love you all. This is Molina, signing out.